If you're tired of burning your thumb lighting candles, this rechargeable lighter is a game changer. Its extra length keeps your hands safe, and with a safety lock, it's kid-friendly too. This ultimate suction holder can hold your toothbrush on the mirror, keep your keys by the door, or even your pen on the fridge. It's perfect for securing charging cables too. No more drops behind the desk. This is a steel soap bar, which actually cleans your hands without ever running out and is even backed up by scientific evidence. This awesome steam cleaner pumps out 1,000 watts of steam power to clean various surfaces. It eliminates 99% of germs and only uses water. This is loved because it's a TV and jumbo tablet in one with an adjustable stand and built-in battery. Perfect for following recipes while cooking, entertaining on the treadmill, working from the couch, or watching movies in the tub. This tiny air pump that is so surprisingly strong. It comes with all the hookups you need for all different inflatables. It has a night light on it, and it'll pump up a big floating in about a minute. And it will also deflate things for you as well. This candle can be used as a clock, but how? The wax is coiled up, and you only unravel as much as you need to burn. So even if you forget about it, the candle will put itself out on its own. So if you want 6 hours of candlelight, just unravel 6 inches, and you've got 60 inches on this one coil. This light bar with a rechargeable battery that turns on with the press of a button, or when it detects motion. This new projector is bright as a full-size projector, but it's only the size of a soda can. Super portable, and it runs for up to 2 hours on a single charge. You can also get a tripod with a battery pack to double the battery life. Perfect for summer movie nights anywhere, or setting up a cozy blanket fort for the kids. The Crazy Susan organizer rotates a full 360 degrees, making it super easy to access everything.